What's going on, Mutha Truckers? So I have my friend Veronica that says that her cousin just got into a situation out in Chicago, and basically there's a great chance that this four-wheeler could have been involved in something extremely bad. Let's read this. It says, "Hey, my cousin Chris was up in Chicago. I'll send the video. These guys pulled out on him, stopped him at the road till he showed they were on camera. When he reported to the cops, found out he may be the same vehicle that, blasted a van with 6 people and 3 people passed away. They say before you want to let your guys know this was on the 290 in Chicago. I can get you Chris's info to tell you everything." So, Mutha Truckers, when you're watching this video right here, you can't see him actually whip out his piece. It's actually on the left side. But all he's trying to do is he's trying to cut into the driver, and he's being ridiculous for no reason. I'm going to show you a longer form of the video so you know that this truck driver did nothing wrong. But he actually cuts off another truck and then waits for him and then blocks him. And so if you see this black car, watch out, call the police, because definitely, potentially, a very dangerous person. But Mutha Truckers, I'm just letting you guys all know, do not ever confront people like this. And I'm just glad that Chris didn't get out of his truck. He did the right thing. Mutha Truckers, comment down below. But yeah, very, very scary stuff. Again, PSA, this is on the 290 in Chicago. If you see this car, call the police.
Just go.